Or Moorland single track. Oh, 2 drops. Oh. Hello everyone, and welcome to a sunny day in the North Yorkshire Moors. We're doing a 14-mile Kildale loop, so we can expect a bit of double track and some single track. Nice view from the top of the first road climb. Alright, first bit of descendant. Looks like a bit of single track. I've never done this bit before, so see what it's like. Oh. Where's that going? Yeah, you don't normally come down this way, but I saw it on the map and thought it's worth a shot. So far so good. Oh, a bit gnarly. Oh Christ. Oh, it's rough. The old man's survived. But gnarly that, isn't it? I believe we follow this down here. Yep. Big climb out. Slow down. I don't know what that's like. Good conditions today. North Yorkshire Moors bridle weight. This is lovely, this. Oh shit, no it was. Proper rutted in places. That's the gate by the looks of it. Oh, white rat there. There's the sign. Wow, that was a fun descent. We'll find out if the added climb's worth it. So, if you've never done a North Yorkshire Moors ride before and you're looking to get started, this is probably the first ride I would recommend, because it's only 14 miles, but it's got a lot of stuff packed in. Some nice double track like this to get the miles in, and then you've got all your single track descents, which are really good on this route. Lots of short, steep climbs on these North Yorkshire Moors rides. Oh. Nice bit of another double track descent. Just to get the miles in. Another fast track across the top of the hill. big old jumps on this. Drainage ditches. Whoa! Felt a bit skatey under the tyres that. Slow down a bit, corner coming up. Oh! Wow, that was fast. Now this will be the first ride I've recorded in a while. I had a long break during COVID because I got sick of the local rides, and then got into the process of moving house, which is taking its time. We're going up there, aren't we? Yeah, this is it. No, doesn't look quite as boggy as it did last time. So this gets a bit mushy in certain weathers. So if you're going to do this ride, I would pick a drier day. Because the descents get a bit mushy as well at times. It's alright today though. Climb smooths out a bit towards the top here, a bit easier to ride on. And now we're heading down again. More Moorland single track. Quite technical, rutty. Oh, there's a bit of mud there. That's about as dry as it'll ever be. Oh. Oh, very technical. Oh God. All over the shop. This is a little bit smoother. Very nice little drop there. And another one. And another one. Oh Jesus. God. Oh. Bit of a butt bench here there. Not concentrating. Oh, it's good fun though. Oh, whoa! One is stuck up on me. Wow! This is very worn out. Lovely single track climbing this. Little bit of technicality just to keep you thinking. It's absolutely red hot on the top of the North Yorkshire Moors now. Oh, here's a nice stopping spot and starting another descent. Marvellous. Look at that view. Heading down to the road on this bit of single track. Whoa! This is smooth. Oh, 2 drops. Oh, that's a deep rut. Oh, quite the lines. Right. Oh, rocky. Oh. There's the road. Oh, that was really good fun, that. Lovely single track. Oh. Last bit of road. And this bit we actually do on the Westerdale ride. I'm going to go over the bridge. Be slippy that forward. So anyone who watches my videos might remember this climb. We come up this at the start of the Westerdale ride. We're just coming away from Westerdale now, it's back that way. Public bridleway, that's what we like to see. Oh, this is nice and dry today. It's a nice track, that one. Could ride on that all day. Flattens out a bit now. Coming up to our turn off now on our Westerdale ride. We carry on left along that wall past the brick building, and this ride we're going right up a big steep old climb, which I'm not really looking forward to, if I'm honest. I'm knackered, but getting towards the end now. There it is, the big climb. Oh, how do we get across here then? Really tough little climb, this one. Oh, X. Right, last bit of Moorland single track down to the gate and across the field. Tight and twisty. Come on, bird, get out the way. Oh. Jesus, techie descendant this. Way. Bloody hell, nearly off into the verge. Might well be a few different lines down this. Nice. It's a fun bit of descending, that. Oh. So that's about it now. Last little bit of field over to the Stone Chimney or whatever it is, and then big climb up, and then I think we descend a bit of road, if I remember rightly.
Down there, did I look down there?
We'll have a look. While we're here, or in Moor Mine. Yeah, we didn't stop. Might as well have a look while we're here. A bit grown over now. Oh, look at that. Jesus. It's like something out of Tomb Raider. Wow. That's deep, that, like, look at the hole down there.
That's where the wheel would have been.
Nervous. That is. That goes down
Crack
forever.
on the screen there, doesn't it? It goes down thousands of feet, right? You can walk on the top of it like
Yeah.
a grill.
I don't think I'd dare walk on top of it, to be honest, but I can see it underneath. I thought there might be another tunnel around here. Doesn't look like it. So that's the boiler house chimney. It's impressive, that, like. Oi! Nice cool breeze. Well, that's the end of our Kildale ride. Nice short 14 miler, bit of double track, short steep techie climbs, techie bit of single track. Highly recommended. If you are going to do it, I would probably pick a warmer day for it, so you miss out on the slop. But I enjoy it in most weathers, to be honest. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.